So I'm in Negril, and I've been in Negril since yesterday. I came around midnight. We're staying at Negril Beach Condo or Negril Beach Club. I think it's a nice little studio. It has stove, microwave, coffee, came with coffee maker and all of that. So it's a very, you know, nice day. So I've been working since day. It's Friday, by the way. Friday, June 28th, July 28th, and I've been working since morning. It's 3:25, still working up until 5 o'clock for today. And then I think here for Dream Weekend, and I think it's tonight is the first party for Dream Weekend, but it has been raining today. I heard it rain yesterday, and then it's still raining today. Crazy. So I don't know how them parties on there will go. But just checking with you guys. I will see you guys. It's gonna be like a full vlog. I think I'll be going all of the parties, should be. Don't know if I can manage that, but we'll see how that goes. The homegirl is old, but we're gonna see how that goes. So yeah, it's my first time back for Dream Weekend since I think the last time I've been here, the last time I've been to Dream Weekend was probably 10 years ago, 10 to 12 years ago. I can't fully recall, but yeah, it's been that long that I've been in Negril for Dream Weekend. So yeah, we're just gonna see the vibe. I hope that I know some play soca, but I'm not gonna play too much. But yeah, I'm here to have a vibe. I'm here to have a nice time, and I'll take you guys with me. So we're gonna enjoy Negril together. Jasmine rice. So I ordered food from the restaurant on the beach. I ordered fish, SAB fish, rice and beans and vegetable. The same give me a piece of breadfruit. The rice, Jasmine rice. It tastes good. Like I told you guys, I'm staying at Negril Club Beach. Negril Beach Club Condo, something like that. And I'm just gonna give you a quick review. It's not a quick view of the room. It's not really much to show. But yeah, it's just like a, you know, for this type of event like Dream Weekend, if you ever all of the parts of them, if you choose, I mean, all inclusive is the best, of course, but if you're looking for something not all in, non-inclusive, then this is okay. I don't know if they provide breakfast. I had no idea. What's your mosquito here? You need to go. So yeah, I don't know if they do provide breakfast, but yeah, whatever. Anyways, cute as you enter. You have a mirror, closet here, bathroom. One thing about the bathroom, the lights are so bright in here. I love the lights. I had packed up some of the stuff already. That, and then it comes with a studio. So you have a fridge, the kitchen area, electric stove, microwave. They give you this stuff, and then the view of the room, TV, AC right there. AC works perfectly. And yeah, don't mind the crazy bed. And the balcony is so big and nice. I'm like far like behind the resort from the beach, but yeah, let me show you outside. Where I was working today, I need to take out this garbage. They say it's a nice big balcony, and then this is where the room is. You still have a nice view. You can see the ocean right there. Gorgeous. So yeah, that's just the view of the room. I'm gonna head to the supermarket now to buy some stuff. Just sitting by the beach, guys, catching this beautiful sunset. Gorgeous. There's a party boat passing by. Yeah, so it's night one, and this is my fit. Running late, so yep. my tripod in the car. I really need to take it out and get it in the room. I cannot catching it up like multiple stuff. Just so you guys can see me. Anyways, we're gonna head to the supermarket. All dressed and showed and all of that. So we just need to grab some water. I need a sandals for the room because to walking in and out with the dirt, and it has been raining since we got here. It's just crazy. So I need a sandals alone for the room. So I get that, water, and some snacks because we're gonna be here for a while, okay? It's party weekend. It's crazy. Last night wasn't bad. It wasn't like crowded and packed and all of that. And I'm assuming because of the first night and all of that. And then on the mic, I think one of the guys was saying like people flight delayed or people didn't get here, something along that line. I don't know, wasn't paying attention, but y'all, I was yawning all up in that party, okay? Got back to the hotel room. Excuse me. The party, I think it was 4 a.m. the party, the music turned off. 4 p.m. the party done. And then whatever, so we got back, we're doing some stuff and then we got back like to 5. I know before I went down in that bed, I was seeing light coming out, okay? And then it's almost 12 o'clock. I woke up like after 7, but went back to sleep and it's almost 12 o'clock. So I just head on the stretcher. Well, there's a high-low light below us. So we're gonna just grab whatever we need. So this is all. I'll show you the guys fit after. I need to get my chopstick. The way how they each turn up daytime, crazy. I just need to let guys to see my chopstick. Need to fix this brow. Oh, I can't fix the brow right now. The phone is on top of the makeup case. Where's alright? Glasses. Yeah, we're ready. Alright, this is a cute, simple fit. I think I got this top from Shein, short Shein, and the sandals from Fashion Nova. Glasses, Shein. So that is the fit for today. I don't know why I'm wearing the black top because outside is crazy, but we're gonna work with what we have. I wanted to like hang up my clothes, but hold on. Yeah, I kind of wanted to hang up my clothes because I have like a lot of stuff and we'll be here for like a few days. Normally I don't pack up my stuff, but it depends on the duration of the trip, and this trip is, you know, that duration to hang up your clothes. But they only gave us 3 hangers. I know I probably can request it, but I just didn't bother. I was living out of the suitcase as usual. And the thing is with this event, it makes it easy because it's a color coordinated thing, and I can't remember the outfits when we are at each event. It's not like a regular hotel where you just pack, okay, may I wear this night 1, night 2, night 3, and then you get confused and then change it up and all of that. But for this specific event, it's color coordination, and I only bring a few, probably 2 choices per night. So yeah, so kind of make it easier to live out of this suitcase. The only thing I basically packed out is like my feminine stuff that is required. But yeah, hope you guys are doing well. I love Negril. Like, I really need to get up sometime one day before I leave and really see that sunrise on the beach. Like, I cannot. But the beach last night, yesterday, it was kind of cold, and I think probably because rain was like, I'm sweating as hell. You know what they say, when you know sweat you're bad? I don't believe that that's a lie. Anyways, my hands are tired. I really need to get my tripod. What was I saying? Darn it, I forgot. See, old age. Oh my god, I don't remember. You know what, whatever. I'll see you outside. All right, haven't gotten a chance to go to the supermarket yet, but that's all right. I'm trying to pick out my outfit for today. It's day 2 and it's Daydreams, and Daydreams is an all white, you know, beach type of fit. So I have 2 fits here. I'm gonna try to figure out which one I'm gonna wear. I'm not too sure, but I guess, let me just turn around the camera. First fit, cute mesh and the swimsuit, and then this one is a pants with swimsuit. Honestly, I'm thinking not to wear this one because I don't know. I think I just may see like a bunch of people in it. And you know, this is like very popular, this type of fit. The skirt I'm referring to. And I definitely want to wear a cover up. I don't want to wear the swimsuit alone. So I'm gearing more towards just the pants and just a regular and the top. Yeah, so I'm leaning towards more of this type of vibe. I do also have this skirt here that can wear too with a string at the end. So I'm not sure. Man, I have to figure out. But I'm leaning more towards this vibe. So I guess when I put it on, I'll see how it looks. And then I'm thinking to wear my sneakers. It's white and goldish. I can wear my gold bag. But if I wear my sneakers, I'll probably have to go wear this and not the pants. Because the pants is like actually short. So the sneakers definitely not going to work with this. So I don't know. When I put it on, then I will figure out which one I like, which one I feel more comfortable with, and then my shades, of course. So that is the vibe. As it relates to jewelry, and I'm supposed to know someone I really wear jewelry like that, but I just have on my watch, that everyday chain I have on. I literally forget all my earrings. I forgot my gold knob, but I do like have a black one that I'll be wearing tonight. I think tonight is Yush, and it's all black. So I have this vibe from Shein. So yeah, no earring, just chain, wash for today. I'm a swimsuit, I'm a bag, I will put together. I really wanted to go to the beach though before I go to the party today. I should have. Outside looks so nice too. I'll show you guys outside. Wow, what's it look? Oh my god, look like it's gonna rain again. Look at the cloud. Oh, this shit is gonna rain every day though. That is not good. Why though? Oh, the rain is not. I mean, we're getting sun and we're getting like both 50-50 sun, 50-50 rain at this point. Alright, so back from the supermarket and all of that, I'm gonna be stopping and got pizza. Like, the pizza is so yummy. Like, I really like it. It's a medium slice. I think I showed you guys that. Oh, I don't think I showed you guys. I'm still showing the pizza, but it is really good. We got pepperoni, onion, pineapple chicken. Really nice. So good. Listen, it's raining cats and dog outside. It's rained for the past almost 2 hours now. And it's, what time? I'm gonna watch. I think I like about 3 o'clock now. And the party will start 2 o'clock. I think it's from 2 to 7. And rain falling. So I don't know if this party is gonna even keep again, because the other party I think is supposed to start like what, 10 or something? I'm not sure. But I'm going to eat my pizza and relax and watch some TV. That is the vibe for today. So good. I don't remember the name of the pizza place, but it's the same plaza where Chili Pop is, Matthews, that little plaza, and it's at the back. When you enter, around there you can park along the left hand side. Once you walk, come around, then you'll see the pizza. It's right, oh, it's beside Hilo Supermarket. Can't miss it. Y'all, I slept like crazy today. I am like so tired. So I'm missing an event right now. Happening now is what, Daydreams and Shensi are performing, but yeah. I ain't gonna go with that. I am too tired, y'all. I am way too tired for that. I was gonna grab me some little snacks. Like the pizza today was like so good, y'all. So I think around 12 o'clock, well I think about 11 o'clock, I'm gonna start getting ready for Yush keeping tonight, and it's a 90s outfit. I'm gonna learn him Sunday. So I'm just gonna, I think I'm gonna wear a tight set and my glasses. I totally forgot my green bag. Oh, so I'm probably just gonna wear my gold bag tonight with my green shades or pink shades. Yeah, I'm not in a pink, but I'm still gonna wear that because I said it's 90s vibe. So you know you need a little glasses another night, yeah? That's what we have going on today though. I'm gonna snack on my chickpeas and watch some Peyton vlogs up until 11 o'clock. It's like what, 9 minutes past 9 now. So I think Peyton vlogs normally is like an hour. So that should bring me around 10, almost 10. And then yeah, I'm gonna start getting ready for Yush tonight.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are here with the final closet reveal. Finally, I'm all done. Everything is organized. I've moved everything.
I'm at the rough around the edges, BBS. I keep it nappy and I do what make me happy, and nobody can deny me that I'm blessed.
Alright, it's 11 o'clock. I need to get up. 1 hour to get ready. I'm still watching Peyton, but I'm gonna pause her. It's time to get up and go.
No relegation, let's celebrate life. Kick back and take five, and give thanks to the source that create life. To see a sunset, or see a sunrise, and see my son born with these same eyes. To see my son smile bright in every gray sky. He's going so fast, that's why every day I give it 100, last of a 90. Praise the Almighty, the Father Almighty.
Here, so fit check. This cute tight set is from my online boutique store. I told you guys, I'm currently on relaunching, I should say, but I still do have this in stock from a prior stock. Yo, this set, it's amazing. Very stretchy, as you can see. I'm wearing a small, and then this gorgeous detail right here. It's a wire, so it will definitely hold up the girlies. And yeah, it fits very well. And then I have on my sneakers and watch, and I'm wearing the glasses. It is a like 90s vibe. The party that we're heading to is Yush, so I figured why not add the glasses. I did bring my pink and green glasses, but I left my green bag, and the green shades, it's just kind of a little dark, so the pink I should be able to see, you know, it's very light on the inside and the outside of the glass. So yeah, I just added my gold bag because my MK sneakers have on a little yellow right there and white. So yeah, that is the vibe check. So see you guys when I reach at the event.
Are you rate your friend then? All who rate your friend them ain't no shake you or your boy. You bust a blank in the ear and say, let me tell you why this opinion. Right now, even if only you alone for the country, you have to represent. Everybody that represent. Let me start that throwback. It's a throwback party, right? Remember music like this? Let's it. When you put on the makeup and you take it off, you try to open your phone, you say, hey man, I do not recognize you. Put in your code. All of the girls that know you can walk outside without makeup on. Let's go! I look fly.
Santos.
Around almost 1:30 something, and this is my first meal of the day. Crazy, right? But I'm happy the sun is out. yeah, just gonna have some food right now. Y'all, I have not done anything from morning. Literally haven't done anything at all. So got up around after 8, went back to bed around noon, then ate some food, I think after 1 or something like that. And then a little bit after that, the rain started to fall. Like, rain falls every day here. Like, Negril, what are you doing? Anyways, I'm contemplating to go down by the pool. Like, I'm not sure yet. I just showered, by the way. I put on my swimsuit and the dress. The pool bag is packed, but I don't know if I want to go anywhere. The reason for that is after 5 o'clock now. And by that time, tutus by the time I go down and whatever, it's gonna be like 6 o'clock. Then I'm just gonna have to come up because it's dark and bugs and all them some there. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna chill in the room and watch some YouTube. Still haven't watched Peyton, so I need to watch her, and after that I'm gonna watch I Am Chelsea. So we're just gonna do that together. Yeah, but the event last night, it wasn't bad. The event, it was good. The 90s Wayne Wonder performed as well. That was cool. But yeah, I am tired. The 2 parts of them per day is not for me anymore. Oh, gone are the days when I used to do that stuff, but the parties are okay so far. For the type of money that people are spending, I think the food, you can offer more food, just a little stuff. But other than that, the events are going good. Did y'all see I show you an ATM? There is an ATM in the party. There is an ATM in a tent, under a tent at the party last night. These people are, I mean, it's the first to everything, right? Okay, so I've decided in my mind, I'm just gonna chill and watch some YouTube. As much as show when I can't remember that. So let me take off my swim gear. By the way, tonight is World Vibes and it's all black. I'm gonna go that one. I missed like one of the most talked about favorite event today, which is Wet n Wild. It's still going on now, but I already decided from last night I wasn't gonna go, and then it's rainfall and all them somewhere. But yeah, I just wanted to chill. I think going to the events and in the night alone is sufficient for me. So yeah. But so far, the dream experience is not bad. Like I told you guys, the last time I've been here was probably around 10 to 12 years ago. It has definitely been different. The venues are not like packed, crowded like I expected. But tonight I'll see what's going on. I think like people are tired too, because when we reached at the party last night around midnight, there was not a lot of people there, and then after 2, then we see more people start coming in. So I guess people are like, you know, tired. But we want to party all weekend long. I love my hair. Alright, so I'm here just chilling on the balcony, doing nothing, just watching YouTube. I would tell you guys. Let us see the time, bro. 7 o'clock, and I think the other party starts at what, 10? Totally not in the mood to go anywhere. Just want to relax, so I may or may not go. We'll see what happens later. But I'm watching Chelsea, eating a snack. This is my type of relaxation and vacation, just eat and relax. So it's a brand new day, and I've been working from morning. I think it's what, almost 4:30 now, and I'm just gonna head to the beach. I don't think I haven't been to the beach in like 2 days, so I'm gonna head to the beach. I need to see that Negril sunset again. I need to be in the water before I leave Negril, okay? Y'all know Negril like have one of the best waters in Jamaica. Anyways, yeah, so I'm just gonna head to the beach, relax. There's an event again keeping tonight. Y'all know Dream Weekend events keep 2 events per day. Didn't go to the one today, of course, because I'm working, and I'm not feeling the one later as well. I think I have completed the party for this trip. But I'll see what happens later. But I'm gonna head down to the beach and we're gonna chill and just have a good time. This swimsuit, you guys, this should look familiar. Sorry, it's from Shein, and I wore this before in a vlog. I can't remember which one, but yeah, it's cute. Yeah.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad.
Alright, so I just bought some fries. This is what, $570, y'all, for the fries, but it's okay. We in the grill, you know, the people in tourist area. So yes, I bought fries and then my alcohol that I had mixed when I was in the room.
Keep on running back. See, my days are cold without you. I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you.
Alright, so we're heading out to dinner. We're gonna go to the Italian place. What's it called again? I can't remember. I think it's Italian Cafe or something. So when we get there, I'll show you guys what's going on. But I've always wanted to be, that's like one of the popular spots on the stretch. You have Matthews and then you have this Italian place. Yo, I am sweating. Got these earrings from Shein and I'm wearing this black and white top with the jeans. I am sweating. I'm just gonna fix my brows just a little with this. Yes, I'm using Got To Be. What is Got To Be glue on my brows? Yeah. You see that? I am sweating like crazy. Definitely not wearing a makeup. I can fix my edges. Fix my edges and I'm sweating. Ew. It's gonna dry though. I need to hurry up. Okay. That's the fit. Then we are outside. I should be going to the event that's keeping tonight. I think it's Island Beach, so I'm just gonna stay there for a few. Definitely not staying there till 4 a.m. because I got work tomorrow. Alright, we ready? So the full fit is from Shein, top Shein jeans. My slippers is from Primark, and this cute bag, I bought it from a store here. I don't remember the name of it. It's cute.
Hey, trips that you plan for the next whole week. Been too long for so cheap, being flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey, you got it, girl, you got it. Yeah, pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now you silent. Flew the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but
Really, I go.
Yeah, man.
Really, I go. We outside.
Red Bull team. Red Bull fridge wants some Red Bull for the stage, yeah?
This is a global blackout.
Yo, Bishop Escobar, never kid. Escobar, yo, never kid. Jamila talk, come represent for Bishop Escobar. DJ never kid.
Bishop Escobar.
Passion, music, imagination. That is our nightlife.
And never kid. I'm not think already, good already. Grab them. On voice, you know. Dan voice here. Represent for Bishop Escobar, you know.
Testing the left speaker. Left. Testing the right speaker. Right. Surround successfully recovered. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for
Watch your pretty guy, watch your pretty guy. I'm representing Bishop Escobar. Even in the back, you know, we play good dog.
Yo! What's the style now? People.
Where they meet, I'm gonna chicken or pizza. Yeah, why you doing that?
You just reverse my life. You walk a start from 9 to 9. Cause I'm
All who don't know how to dance, put and know a time to dance. No, a time, and the lesson time, no. So all watch the crowd. Watch the crowd. Hold on. We don't want to go. We're going to party with friend tonight. Form a circle with your friend. Go on, Cryptic. All if you don't understand, just form a little circle with your friend right now. Cryptic soon.
All of my bitches got friends. You don't need to pick. No, all of my bitches got friends.
It is after 2 a.m. and the party ends at 4 and I'm leaving. Like, I am exhausted, like tired. Oh my god, come on. We can't money. This is 3 people performing tonight, but yeah, I ain't doing that shit. So heading back to the hotel. We are heading home today. I am super tired. The event last night was so good. I think that was like the best one that I've been to. It's the Island Beats, I call it. Yeah, they played a lot of soca, a lot of dancehall. Like the vibe was just perfect last night. So that event I enjoy. I think that was the best one out of all 3 I went. Out of 8 events. Well, today is the last one, so we're leaving today, so I'm not gonna come today. So out of the 7 events, y'all, I only got to go to 3. I'm too old. I'm too old for this party life. Yeah, crazy. Out of 7, I went to 3 parties only, but the last night one was the best. But yeah, we're heading home today. I'm all packed and ready. Super excited to go home, but I kind of gonna miss the water and the beach here. It's just lovely. I'm gonna miss the sunset, but y'all, before the year ends, I'm definitely coming back to Negril. I'm making myself a promise. I am coming back to Negril. Well, wait. I think I have a lot of stuff to do with this. All right, I'm gonna take back my promise day. I'm not 100% sure. I'm gonna try my best, but if not, definitely next year. But I have to come back to Negril. It's just everything, and I want to come back without, you know, the whole chaos and party weekend. But y'all know Negril is like the best sunshine, the best water. Love it. Kingston, here I come. All the noise, all the congestion. Kingston, I don't miss you, but I miss you. Okay, I don't miss you, but I miss you.